Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I was working with my thesis paper and found a new option in Excel and thought this might be helpful for some of you if you don't know how to use column chart in Excel. So these are my data. It actually defines CRR. You don't need to know what CRR is because you are just here to know how column chart works. So first you need to select the data and then go to insert tab and find the charts tab from that, and there you will find a few suggested column charts. If the proposed one matching your requirements, then okay, but if not, then go to more column charts and you will find a few more options where you can explore whichever you need. Like in the second one, the colored columns are indicating banks, and the blocks comprises of the columns are indicating years. But I need the columns to indicate years and the blocks to indicate banks. So here it is. I am choosing the third one, and here is my column chart. I'm simply editing the header and nothing else. My column chart is ready to directly put into my thesis paper, where I want to show how CRR varies yearly with different banks. I know it may seem little confusing for you right now, but you will figure it out when you will use it yourself. So good luck for your future projects. If my tutorial has helped you a little bit in your project, please like, share and comment, and most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, and thank you for joining and supporting me